for the first time as a result of this campaign. Astro's radio stations, NTV7, yesterday TV Selangor. We have also been featured in leading blogs in the country. Some of you are here, thank you very much. All of you who have helped us on the blogs. I think we have achieved a media support base that will make political parties jealous. The Dato' News Party would take some pointers from here. We hope that all media will partner with us throughout this campaign. All these features can be viewed on our perlembaganku.com website, which will be launched today. Facebook fan page, YouTube page. You can also participate in our discussions or get more information from our MyConsti Twitter page. In addition to media coverage, we have received donations and pledges from various law firms, tertiary institutions and ordinary citizens. As a non-profit campaign, the Bar Council is funding this at this point in time. Every one of the committee members is a volunteer, contributing in his or her own private time. We actually have full-time jobs. This is only our part-time job. We pay for our own food, drinks, paper and pens. We intend to produce 9 booklets, the Rakyat Guides, in the coming 2 years of this campaign. And we would like to see each booklet in each of the 6 million households we have in Malaysia, and be able to reach 28 million Malaysians with the contents of our booklets. This means that somehow we have to produce at least 54 million booklets. We hope that the federal and state governments, as well as public and private institutions and organizations, will partner with us on this. But since this is the Rakyat's campaign, this is your campaign, we would appreciate any contribution the people, the Rakyat, can make. Everything goes to this campaign. For today, may I encourage every person here to take out 10 ringgit from your wallet or purse and donate it to this campaign in exchange for 10 booklets. I'm sure Dato' VK Liew will be able to contribute much more than $10. My fellow Malaysians, the My Constitution campaign is a campaign for the Rakyat, by the Rakyat. We would like you to join us. We want you to participate. Please don't just wait for whatever we come up with to come to you. Make suggestions, contribute ideas, contribute your time, your knowledge, your skills. Volunteer to distribute these booklets. My fellow Malaysians, you have with you the very first booklet, the Rakyat Guides. What is the Federal Constitution? You are the first people to get it. When you leave this auditorium later today, we hope these booklets will go with you, spreading it out into this city, into this country, as you do. Take this booklet, read it. Go home, show it to your family. Get them to read it. Take it to your office. Get your workmates to read it. This weekend, if you meet up with your friends, show it to them and get them to read it. Explain the campaign to them. Don't just leave it on the shelves, although I know it looks quite nice. You may not know the Constitution yet, and neither might they. But together you, they and we can help each other learn. My fellow Malaysians, this is only the beginning. And you are the beginning. 10 years from now, I hope I will be able to look back on this day and be proud of what we have started and of what we have achieved. This campaign will only be as good as the members who run it, and to you, and those members who support it. The Constitutional Law Committee is privileged to have 99 comrades of diverse backgrounds, including representatives from the Advocates Association of Sarawak, Sabah Law Association, and the Sarawak Indigenous Lawyers Association. Before I take my place, let me record, on behalf of the Bar Council, our sincere gratitude and special acknowledgement of the work which has been put in by many of these individuals on the committee for us to have come so far. Maha Lakshmi Balakrishnan, who is the co-deputy chairperson of the Constitutional Law Committee, she's standing at the back. Shah Reza Johan, who is your MC today. He's the poster boy for the Malay press. Fidaus Binti Husni, who is a pupil at a law firm in KL. Shamala Balasundaram, Aniza Damis, Grace Wong Puliman, Kwan Wilson, who organized this launch today, with Samuel Leong Chanyen, a basketball player, Michael Lu Yuan Hui, who's doing the recording, right? Where's Michael? He got lost again. Lau Boon Seong, who's doing the technical stuff today, Selina Kong, who helped out with the food, Paul Linus Andrews, who has been very supportive, especially from Sunway College, Nadia binti Abu Bakar, another student from UITM, who did the posters, Yip Xiao Heng here, who's recording today, Yo Tong Seng, who's moved our campaign to Wikipedia very soon, who's going to move it very soon, Leong She Hao, Wong Fok Meng, who's from Malacca. Is Fok Meng here? Thanks, Fok Meng. Daniel Joseph Albert, Leong Yen Kong, Yvonne Yong Ai Peng, all of you are here. If you want to stand up, you can stand up. Teh Jun Ren, Lim Hen Jin, Mei Chu Meng Ling, Yap Yin Mei, Zulkarnain Lokman, Janet Lee Sim Kwan, Azhar Azizan Harun, Fariz Jina, and Tiu Ji Jin. We would also like to thank Mien Law, who directed and produced the first Rakyat service advertisement. There will be 8 more. Is Mien here? We would also like to thank Joe Kit, who did the artwork and layout of the Rakyat guides. Joe, are you here? They're not here. They're supposed to be here. And of course the Fazil brothers, Fahmi and Fikri, who designed and conceptualized the website. I see you, Fahmi. Thank you. And of course, not forgetting our Bar Council Secretariat staff, who has been excellent, while all of us have always been nervous. Our Constitutional Law Committee Executive Officer, who just joined us for 1 month, Lim Kai. He's holding 2 of the heaviest portfolios in the Bar Council, the Human Rights Committee and the Constitutional Law Committee, and she's been an asset to us. Of course, Khairul as well, who did the artwork with us at the Bar Council, and Kelvin, who has been putting out our news on the Malaysian Bar website. Lastly, I would have to acknowledge the law firms that contributed to the funding of the first phase of the campaign. Otherwise, they'll be withdrawing funding soon. So, a few firms: Lee Shamuddin, Ellen Gathill, thank you so much. Shern Bellamore, Ranjit Singh and Yo, Robert Lau, and Malik Imtiaz Sawa. And organizations as well who have contributed, Taylor's College and ATC College. Of course, we've been busy with the launch and therefore we have not gone out to get funding. Hopefully the 280 of you today will put some money into the aquarium outside. And I also want to say very quickly before I end that we must thank the former Bar Council member Roger Tan, who last term mooted this idea under Dato' Amiga's leadership to set up this Constitutional Law Committee. He's here, is it? Is Roger here? Roger is not here. Oh, but Roger said, but I would like to thank him for mooting this idea. It's just that we were fighting so many battles last term, we didn't set it up. And this term, we thought that it was appropriate time to set up a committee. I'm sure all of you are fired to go, especially after this inspiring speech. So step inside this movement and let's rock this country together with the campaign. Thank you.